जायत NGO बर है. Now for example Mhadei बचाव आंदोलनान तुगेलो बाब राजेंद्र केरकर हा. I assembly raise करपाक issue took inputs from him. आणि inputs हुईतरी त्याने गेले म्हणून assembly issue येलो. नाले assembly चलतासो देखून assembly कोणे issue आडना. It was the ruling government that should have brought an issue. Already diverting start झाले. आता failure on part of the government as far as the legal team is concerned. Karnatakan एक डेटा ना आमकोडे कितुलो कितु perfect डेटा ना आम कित जायो आम किती होयतलो काय डेटा नासतना केस झगडले आणि हे कोण सांगता the dispute tribunal itself is saying it in his order. आता scientific study ना बाबा ते कितें आमगे इंटरेस्ट कितें आमगे एग्रीकल्चर कित त्रास जातलो आमगे रिवर आमगे टोपोग्राफी कितको फेल जातली आमगेले ग्रीन कवर कितको चेंज जातलो काय ना. The government has failed totally. आणि मनोहर पर्रीकर chief minister असताना सदांची एक उतर म्हणटालो drinking water cannot be stopped म्हण. It looked like a sinister plan. आमगेले गोवन इंटरेस्ट सॅक्रिफायस करपाक खंय तरी कर्नाटका चड आमदार आहाय म्हण थिंग जिखपाक इलेक्शन. It's not correct on part of the government to do all this. आणि सीधी जाता there are so many issues कितको हा BJP government in Karnataka together Yedurappa is praising the order. Now all these things shows, and we have spent crores of rupees. It's not that the government has not spent crores of rupees. Karnataka government also spent money, but they brought lawyers right from Falinariman and all those big lawyers. All these issues, I'm getting interest protect Kurpak government Vildala. Start process again. Do start go into appeal. Don't wait for Karnataka to say that appeal is we are going on appeal. To submit the whole issue amge interest Kurpak ani disturb Kurpak. So I call upon the government, don't sacrifice the interest of the people of Goa. Don't cheat the people on this issue on Mhadei. And भर झाले at least NGO है and भर झाले at least बचाव आंदोलन Mhadei बचाव आंदोलन हम भर झाले. They are also planning to go into. We are fully supporting them. I always say only one thing, that in 2012 we were literally kicked out because we have failed in a lot of fronts. And I think the BJP was brought in to rectify all the frauds.